Okay, so this is a demonstration of how we intend and how we are using uh, Google Classroom imports in order to pass this verification process. So first of all, I will log in with one account that is actually a teacher account. So this is the account, this is the teacher account, there are no students or anything attached to it, it's an empty account, so no students, no nothing. Right now I will use the Google Classroom import flow. So to use that, you can go to import via Google Classroom. It will open this pop-up that will ask for Google account. I will use this one as this has created a Google Classroom before, so I'll click on it. This is not verified, so it's showing this screen, but if I go use the unsafe mode, it's using this info, so I will click continue, and now it's asking us for the verification, the user content screen for for the permissions. So this screen, as you know, it's requesting permissions to read the teacher's Google Classroom data, mainly roosters and classes, and to view email of the people in the classroom in order to be able to separate them in order to recognize who is who. So I will allow all of this, and it's important to know that Propello is only reading this data and it's not storing or sharing anything of this data. It's just using the data in order to be able to provide our content to the Google Classrooms that are already created in Google Classroom. So it's basically the same functionality. So I'll just click continue, and now I am looking at the only one class that I have created on that account. So I can click import class. I import the class, and that's it. I have that class here. No assignments, no anything. I can add some content to it uh, from our side, and yeah. So basically, this is all that we are using Google import uh, in our app.